and welcome. This is another one of my favorite meals to make. It's very similar to the one I made the other night, but a little bit different. I am going to do the potatoes the same way, but the meat is pork. These are thick pork chops, and I am going to throw in this Lipton onion soup all over the pork chops, and I'm going to let it cook for probably about 4 hours. Now that I am cooking for two, it is difficult sometimes to always think of different things to cook, and I don't know about you, but I am getting where I don't want to cook as much. I don't want to make all the different dishes. I love the one pot wonders. This is so great. It makes the house smell good, and I can go do other things while it is cooking. I always like to wash my potatoes good and then cut any of the bad spots off. I am having trouble getting the lid to go down because there's so much meat. So I'm just going to have to play with it a little bit to get it to make a nice seal. I decided to dump out some of the liquid, and that definitely helped. And then, just like magic, 4 hours later, everything is cooked and ready to go. This may not look the best, but it tastes amazing. Wait till you see how tender this is. If you want a no-fuss dinner, try this. You are going to love the results. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of my other videos coming up.